Hello, today I will teach how to use app management in ZEP. First, click the Add App button. Scroll and find Stamp. Click Add. That's it, you're done. For the free version of ZEP, you can choose only one app. How to set up the Stamp app. Users need to choose an object in the map to use as a stamp collection point. Then, click on that object to start setting it up. Here are the details for setting up a stamp. Stamp type. Select stamp. Stamp name. Set any name you like. Stamp number. Only numbers can be used. 1 infinity. Do not use duplicate stamp numbers, as it may cause system errors. Trigger range is the distance between the player and the object for the system to activate. Trigger method is how the player receives the stamp. For example, select press F to trigger right pointing arrow. Player walks close and presses a key. Select automatically. Trigger right pointing arrow. System activates automatically. Using stamp and stamp checker together in ZEP. Click on the item, then select stamp and stamp checker. The stamp checker is often used together with stamp to check whether players have collected all required stamps. It can be used as a condition to unlock activities, levels, or the next content effectively. When a player receives a stamp, based on the set conditions, the system will show a pop-up message. The disappears personal feature means that, when a player has collected all required stamps and walks near the object will disappear only for that player. Trigger condition is the condition that determines when the system will work, such as showing a message or making an object disappear. Stamp amount check. This checks the total number of stamps the player has. Example, the player must collect 2 stamps before a message appears or an object disappears. Stamp number check. This checks specific stamps by their number. Example, the door will disappear only when the player collects stamp number 3. Resetting stamps in ZEP means clearing all stamp data of the player, so they can start collecting stamps again. When to use it. When you want players to start over. When you want to reset the activity, so it can be played multiple times. Result after reset. All collected stamps will be deleted. Players must collect stamps again from the beginning. Steps to reset. Go to Settings. Select Reset All. Click Accept. Click Confirm. That's it, the reset is complete. Thank you for your attention. That's all for today.